Is your Tesla Model 3 backup camera displaying a black screen, glitching, or constantly rebooting? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many owners face these common issues, but most can be fixed with simple steps. The most common symptoms include a completely black screen when you put the car in reverse, glitchy or pixelated video feed, or the camera that keeps rebooting itself. These issues typically affect older Model 3 vehicles from 2017-2020, but can occur in any model. These problems are usually caused by software glitches or bugs in the camera system, overheating of the camera module, especially in hot climates, power supply issues from loose connections, or simply a dirty lens blocking the view. The most common fix is a simple software reboot. Start by putting your car in park mode. Then hold down the brake pedal while pressing and holding the gear selector button for about 10 seconds. Release both and wait for the car to fully reboot. This clears temporary software caches and often resolves the issue. Next, check for software updates. Open the Tesla app on your phone, navigate to the software section, and check for any available updates. Tesla frequently releases fixes for camera issues through over-the-air updates, so installing the latest version can resolve persistent problems. For older models, or if software fixes don't work, clean the camera lens. Locate the backup camera on the rear of your vehicle and gently clean the lens with a soft, dry cloth. Make sure there's no dirt, mud, or debris blocking the camera's view, as this can cause the black screen issue. Try these solutions in order, starting with the software reboot. Most issues are resolved quickly this way. If the problem persists after trying all steps, contact Tesla service for further diagnosis. Most Model 3 backup camera issues stem from software glitches, accounting for around 80% of cases. These can be triggered by corrupted data streams, overheating problems, or conflicts within the autopilot system. However, hardware problems can also cause issues, making up about 20% of cases. These include faulty camera modules, wiring corrosion, especially in high-mileage vehicles, or loose connections. Identifying the root cause is crucial for a proper fix, whether it's a simple software update or hardware replacement. The easiest and often most effective solution is a soft or hard reboot. For a soft reboot, shift into park, hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the touchscreen goes black and the Tesla logo appears. If that doesn't work, try a hard reboot. Press and hold the brake pedal and both scroll wheels simultaneously until the screen restarts. This clears temporary software caches and can resolve many black screen or glitching issues. If software reboots don't resolve the backup camera issue, the next step is a simple hardware inspection starting with the fuse. Check the fuse associated with the backup camera. The fuse box location and specific fuse number are detailed in your Tesla Model 3 owner's manual. Visually inspect the fuse to ensure it isn't blown. A blown fuse will show dark discoloration on its metal prongs. Also, visually inspect the backup camera lens for any dirt, debris, or obstructions that could interfere with the camera's view. For more advanced hardware issues, you might need to check the wiring harness connections, although this typically requires professional help to avoid damaging the vehicle's electrical system. Tesla regularly releases over-the-air software updates that include bug fixes and performance improvements for the backup camera. These updates target the backup camera system in your Model 3. Ensure your Model 3 is connected to Wi-Fi to receive these updates. Check for available updates through the Tesla app. Installing the latest software can resolve known software glitches and enhance camera stability. If you've tried rebooting the system, checking fuses, and updating software, but your backup camera still isn't working, it's time to contact Tesla service for professional help. There have been official recalls related to faulty camera modules or wiring harnesses in certain Model 3 production years, particularly 2017 through 2020, and a recent 2025 recall affecting about 50,000 vehicles worldwide. Tesla service centers can use specialized tools to diagnose the problem and either repair hardware components like camera modules or wiring, or apply specific software fixes that require professional access. These service appointments often resolve the issues at no cost to the owner, especially for recalled vehicles, and Tesla's updates have led to a 75% reduction in backup camera complaints. Tesla is moving towards AI-driven diagnostics that will proactively identify potential camera failures via the Tesla app. Future Model 3 iterations are expected to feature fully wireless camera modules with OTA hardware firmware updates. These advancements will minimize downtime and improve the overall ownership experience. Many Tesla Model 3 owners have successfully resolved backup camera issues using the troubleshooting steps covered in this series. For example, a 2019 Model 3 owner in California fixed persistent black screens through Tesla's recall program, which replaced a faulty harness connector free of charge. Online communities provide valuable insights from fellow owners. The Tesla Motors Club Forum, with thousands of active members, offers shared experiences and solutions for common issues like camera glitches during software updates. Keeping your Tesla's software current is crucial for camera reliability. The latest V12 update includes enhanced diagnostics that automatically resolve most black screen issues, reducing complaints by 75%, according to Tesla's reports. Experts recommend proactive maintenance and using Tesla's service network. Visit a Tesla dealership for recalls or diagnostics, as seen in this dealership image. High-mileage vehicles over 100,000 miles may need hardware checks for longevity. In summary, staying informed through forums, keeping software updated, and addressing issues promptly ensures a safe driving experience. Tesla's data shows camera reliability now exceeds 99% uptime in updated models.